The first step after unboxing is to install the charging station. Before installation, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal to ensure a stable connection with the app. Once the signal is stable, proceed with installing the charging station side supports. Please note that the right side of the charging station must be placed against the edge of the lawn. The machine returns to the charging station in a counterclockwise direction. Here are some examples of correct charging station installations. On the other hand, incorrect installation occurs when the right side of the charging station is not placed against the lawn edge. Here are some incorrect installation examples. In addition to ensuring that the charging station is positioned on the right side, adjacent to the edge of the lawn, it is also important to ensure that there are no obstacles within 2 meters in front and 1.5 meters behind the charging station during installation. The charging station can be placed on either the lawn or a stone surface, but it must be positioned at the junction of the two. Insert the plug into the charging tower, ensuring a good connection. If the indicator light flashes green slowly, the mower is charging normally. Ensure the robot is properly connected to the charging station, with more than 50% battery and stable Wi-Fi signal before leaving the station. Next, let's proceed with setting up the control panel. Press the button 4 times to enter the default PIN code 0000. For first-time use, please register and log into your account. Use the app to scan the QR code on the Landroid VISION. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure you have selected the correct network and that its signal is strong in your lawn area. Follow the app instructions and click Next. Press and rotate the knob to select App Link. Then press OK to confirm. Next, tap Connect in the app to start the pairing. When the Landroid VISION screen displays App Link successful, the setup is complete. The machine will automatically perform an OTA upgrade. Another option is to select QR code to connect. Follow the app instructions and click Next. Then, display the QR code on your phone. Press and rotate the knob to select App Link. Then press OK to confirm. Use the machine's camera to scan the QR code. When the Landroid VISION screen displays App Link successful, the setup is complete. The machine will then automatically perform an OTA upgrade. Once the charging station is installed and the app is connected, we move on to the third step, preparing for mowing. First, ensure the grass height is less than 90 millimeters. If the grass is too tall, it may hinder the robot's operation. Trim any tall grass along the lawn edges and remove large patches of wildflowers to prevent the robot from misidentifying them as obstacles. Now, let's move on to the fourth step, installing the boundary strip. The strip prevents the robot from entering areas where mowing is not allowed. If the flower bed has a clear boundary, no magnetic strip installation is needed. When installing the magnetic strip, ensure a minimum distance of 30 centimeters from the flower bed. The distance between two pegs must be greater than 80 centimeters. With no cracks in the strip and a bend angle greater than 90 degrees. If your lawn has a slope steeper than 30 degrees or steps higher than 3 centimeters, place the magnetic strip at least 30 centimeters away to prevent the robot from falling and being unable to return. If your lawn is adjacent to your neighbor's, install the boundary strip 32 centimeters away from the boundary to prevent the robot from entering their lawn. If there is a slope greater than 30 degrees, install the magnetic strip along the edge to prevent the machine from falling. If there's only one zone, just press Start to begin mowing. For multiple zones, use RFID tags to set up. The RFID installation is to allow the machine to move from one area to another. Please note that the robot can move between two RFIDs, but both the RFID and the robot must be aligned on the same horizontal plane, with no obstacles blocking the path. After installing the RFIDs, open the app, go to Multi-Zone Setup, scan the RFID with your phone and save. Set the working time to activate the mower. The final step is to click the Start button in the app to begin the mowing process with the robot. Then, enjoy effortless daily fresh cuts for a perfectly manicured lawn.